In this video, I will take you through the process of creating a vibrant landscape painting step by step. We will begin with the sky using a soft light blue base that gently blend into the white near the horizon, giving the effect of peaceful, clear day. The blending will be smooth to create a calm and open atmosphere, perfect for setting the mode of the painting. Next, I will paint a small grassy area in the background using shades of green to bring a nature and fresh look to the scene. The grass will be soft and slightly textured, adding depth to the lower part of the painting. The main focus will be on the two tall trees prominent in this painting, standing in the middle of the scene. These trees will be vibrant green leaves, and I will use light and shadow effect to make them pop up. You will see how to sunlight gently touch the leaves, creating a beautiful glowing effect that gives life to the painting. To add structure and balance, I will paint the wooden partition in the foreground. It will have a rustic feel with the natural tones and visible grains. Finally, I will use warm yellow to softly highlight the grass area, simulating sunlight gracefully hitting the ground. This touch of yellow will be warm and cheerful to the painting. By the end of this painting, you will see how all these elements sky, grass, trees, wooden partition, and sunlight combine to create a beautiful landscape. So stay tuned, watch,